Hello little friends, come and play. Let's learn fruits in a happy way. Sing with me, don't be shy. Fruits are colorful in the sky. Apple, apple, red apple. Apple, apple, sweet apple. Apple, apple, crunchy apple. Apple, apple, red apple. Banana, banana, yellow banana. Banana, banana, sweet banana. Banana, banana, soft banana. Banana, banana, yellow banana. Orange, orange, juicy orange. Orange, orange, sweet orange. Orange, orange, bright orange. Orange, orange, juicy orange. Grapes, grapes, green grapes. Grapes, grapes, sweet grapes. Grapes, grapes, tiny grapes. Grapes, grapes, green grapes. Watermelon, watermelon, big watermelon. Watermelon, watermelon, sweet watermelon. Watermelon, watermelon, juicy watermelon. Watermelon, watermelon, big watermelon. Strawberry, strawberry, red strawberry. Strawberry, strawberry, sweet strawberry. Strawberry, strawberry, tiny strawberry. Strawberry, strawberry, red strawberry. Mango, mango, sweet mango. Mango, mango, juicy mango. Mango, mango, king mango. Mango, mango, sweet mango. Fruits are yummy, fruits are fun. Eat them daily, everyone. Sing again and don't be late. Healthy fruits are really great.